In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your HubSpot CRM account settings, ensuring your workspace is set up correctly and tailored to your needs. Let's dive right into it. First, we begin by locating the settings icon. You'll find this in the top navigation bar of your HubSpot dashboard. It's usually represented by a little gear symbol. Click on it and this will take you into the settings area. This crucial step opens up a world of options that enable you to fine-tune various aspects of your CRM experience. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll dissect it together. Now, once you're in the settings section, it's time to navigate to the specific object you want to manage. Whether you're looking to tweak settings for contacts, companies, deals, or any other section, you'll want to select your desired object. This is important because HubSpot organizes its settings around these objects, which effectively represent the different types of data you are working with within the platform. By focusing on the specific object, you're ensuring that any modifications you carry out are precisely where they're needed. After selecting the object, direct your attention to the Record Customization tab. This tab is your gateway to altering how records within the object are viewed and displayed. Adjusting these settings can significantly enhance how you interact with data, tailoring it to better align with your specific workflow requirements. Sometimes, in the course of customization, you might want to start fresh. To reset a view, look for the three-dot menu icon, which is typically found somewhere near the top of the screen. Clicking on this reveals a drop-down menu. From here, choose the option to reset the default view. HubSpot will prompt you for a confirmation to ensure you genuinely want to proceed with resetting. Once confirmed, any personal tweaks you've made to that view will clear, reverting to the original default configuration. This option is particularly helpful if things have become a bit cluttered or if you need to re-establish a clean slate for new experiments and layout changes. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive walkthrough for resetting your account settings in HubSpot CRM. By knowing how to access and reset these settings, you empower yourself to continuously optimize your HubSpot experience, adapting the platform to meet evolving business needs. This flexibility ensures that you're always working in an environment that supports your goals and processes effectively. Thanks for joining in today, and happy managing!